Hello, and welcome to another episode of QuickSchopes. Today we have the Nike Air Force One by you, by me, and we have another one. This is the 1/1, one of one by you option. So yeah, if you'd like to recreate these pairs, links in the description. Let me take this opportunity to ask you to like, leave your thoughts, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. As I said, purchase links for these in the description. Stay tuned for the on foot. So yeah, let's start off with this pair. So yeah, let's start from the soles up. So we have a very light pink outsole, very cool. We have a white midsole, and we have a combination of leathers and materials on the upper. So going around the toe, we have that suede, very cool, and we got ripstop on the toe box. I've selected I think it's purple suede for the eye stay with pink on the laces, and the Air Force One Dubray is a light orange. The swoosh is a pink suede, and this is with this panel of pink leather. I'm not sure if the two pinks are, I think they are different shades on the website, but as I said, if you really want to recreate this pair and you like it, I've already got everything there in the description. The heel portion is that purple suede again, which is on the eye stay, and also we have a little patch of snakeskin, very nice. That's on the heel tab. The tongue is grey, and that is leather as well. The sock liner is matching the tongue and the toe box and the heel with grey as well. And on the insole, you can't change the insole, that's black. Very cool. Obviously this is a by you one of one option, so underneath we have orange, and this orange goes all the way to the around here, so you can't change this, you can't put any panels here. But if you make several pairs, or if you buy like the one of one, done a review of those, you can get panels that come here. And if you take off the swoosh, you should see an outline. Is there an outline? Yeah, you see an outline of where you put the swoosh, which is very cool. So yeah, let me know what you think of this pair. Obviously it's the same on the other shoe. What is a shame is that you can't just order these parts and just have them like that, like on a little board like of the one of one. You have to just make what you want, and that's it. You don't get any extras. As for the next pair, let's just reacquaint ourselves with the render. Very cool. As I said, for both of these, whoops, lifting up the paper. For both of these, the purchase links are in the description, so you can remake these exact ones, or you can tinker about with them. So yeah, let's start from the soles up. So we've got an identical outsole to the previous pair with that pink. We have this purple midsole, and we have black suede toe box for the upper. We also have that pink and purple combination with the grey tongue. I just really liked this combination, so that's why it's identical on both pairs. Just really liked it. Felt the colours went well. I said the tongue's grey. And for this one we have leather panels. Pretty cool. But it doesn't remove as such. And we've got a dual swoosh here, so you can't remove the mid panel here. Going around the shoe, we have a nice sort of contrasting heel compared to the eye stays and laces. So it's a little flip on that. Very cool, I thought. Let me know what you think. And then we're able to change the swoosh and the mid paddle on the medial side. So I went for a snakeskin one just in case I wanted to pair it up with this pair. Obviously you can take it off. So you have no swoosh, and you can take off this mid panel. Like so. And I think I will take off all this leather, but I don't think I'll be wearing it with these. I like the outline. I think there's enough colour on the shoe to make you go, okay, alright, I see what he's done. So yeah, let me know what you think of this pair. Sock liner black. So yeah, let me know what you think. Have you made a pair? If you have made a pair and you've got it on Instagram or something, tag me, Schopes, SCHOPES. You know the title, you know the score. Just tag me in it. Let me have a butcher's. Let me have a look. I'll probably share it on my story or something. I don't know. Just tag me. I want to have a look. So yeah, so obviously I've made this pair. I do like this outline. I think I'll be rocking this shoe naked with no leather on it. Just the outline. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. As I said, stay tuned for the on foot. I've been Schopes, signing out. See ya!